Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to turn off Facebook two-factor authentication. Friends, you can disable text message SMS verification codes by clicking or tapping turn off next to the mobile phone number that you want to stop using. If you don't have a third-party authentication app turned on or a security key added to your account, turning off your mobile phone number will also turn off. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you the steps. Please check out. Thank you.